A mothballed B-52H Stratofortress nicknamed Wise Guy got a new lease on life as a replacement for another B-52 that crashed. On 14 May 2019, Wise Guy flew from the boneyard at Davis-Monthan Air Force Base to Barksdale Air Force Base, Louisiana. Following more refurbishing at Barksdale, Wise Guy was ferried to the B-52 depot at Tinker Air Force Base in April 2020 for program depot maintenance. Wise Guy is to return to operational service with the 5th Bomb Wing at Minot Air Force Base in 2021. Wise Guy was in desert storage for more than 10 years. It took about 4 months to refurbish the huge bomber for its first flight to Barksdale. When a different B-52H was destroyed by fire following an aborted takeoff on Guam in 2016, plans were made for bringing a replacement B-52 out of mothballs.